Hey, it's Mike here. I have my new 1948 Chevy 3100. I have a lot of things I'm going to be doing to this. I'll be going over some of the things I'll be changing up. You can see here it has a Nova subframe, the gas tank in there. You can see it has this Resto Mod brake lights going on over here. And it's a 5-window, which is nice. You can see there's tons of overspray from the old owner when they painted this thing. So what I'll be doing is that grille, the headlight ring, the bumper, all coming off, putting brand new ones on. The rims and tires will all be brand new, taking those off. I'm gonna go with white walls. Still 15 inches. I was thinking about Detroit steel wheels, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. The interior has Cadillac Escalade seats. I will be getting rid of that. I'm not a big fan of that. See in there. The gauges in there. I'm not sure how much I want to do with that. I will be putting some sort of bed on here. Just not sure with that hike in the subframe there. It's kind of weird. This back plate will all be coming off. I'm going to buy a lower subframe piece and then connect it in there. I have brand new taillights coming in, so those will all be new. You can see here I have a new steering wheel that'll be coming in. I'll be doing carpet. These gauges, I'm not sure. I might redo them and just have them connected all to here because these don't work, but the speedometer works. So I want to see what I want to do with that because I may just have it all uniformed. I just love the old school gauges. I would like to keep them, but there's no point if they don't really work, so I may upgrade those as well. And then here we have, show you the motor. The motor here. Going all through here. I'll be getting rid of all this here. That part I'll be getting rid of. I'll be getting a new carburetor in there. And I'll probably even get a dress here alternator. And this hose I'll probably redo. The horn works really well, which is kind of cool. You see they put the battery in the front. It normally goes under the seat in here, the battery. I don't mind it being right there. It's probably a better spot to get more access to. Especially if you're going to run wires for your radio, which is nice. So this is my 1948 Chevy 3100. I have a lot of work to do, and I will be updating you guys. Thank you.